Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best welding helmets of 2025. Whether you're a professional welder or a weekend DIYer, having the right helmet is essential for both safety and performance. We've researched the latest models on the market to bring you helmets that offer top-notch protection, clarity, comfort, and value. From auto-darkening tech to superior visibility and durability, we've got you covered. All the product links are listed down in the description, so feel free to check them out and grab the one that fits your needs best. Let's get into it. Top 5 Best Welding Helmet 2025. 5. GUEL TX800HF KY0. The Big View Era 4-arc sensor welding helmet is a high-performance protective gear designed for professional and hobbyist welders alike. Featuring a wide viewing area and equipped with 4 advanced arc sensors, it delivers fast and accurate auto-darkening response for optimal eye protection. The helmet supports a variable shade range of DIN 5 DIN 13, making it suitable for TIG, MIG, and grinding applications. Its true color technology ensures a clearer, more realistic view of your workspace, enhancing precision and reducing eye strain. Powered by solar energy with battery assistance, the Big View Era welding mask combines comfort, durability, and cutting-edge technology for a safer and more efficient welding experience. 4. HITBOX Welding Helmet. The HITBOX Welding Helmet Mask offers advanced protection and comfort for professional and hobbyist welders alike. Designed with automatic dimming technology, it quickly adjusts to varying light levels, ensuring your eyes are shielded during MIG, TIG, and arc welding tasks. This helmet features true color technology, which enhances visibility and reduces eye strain by providing a clearer, more natural view of your work. Its super large viewing area allows for improved precision and situational awareness, making it easier to weld with accuracy. Durable, lightweight, and built for long-lasting performance, the HITBOX welding helmet is a reliable choice for any serious welder. Docta 3 ARCCAPTAIN Welding Helmet. This advanced welding helmet combines comfort, precision, and performance in one sleek design. Weighing only 2 pounds, 60% lighter than comparable models, it significantly reduces neck strain during extended use. The true color lens, rated 1112 for optical clarity, ensures accurate color recognition, improving precision in welding tasks. Featuring an auto-darkening filter with a range from DIN 4 to DIN 13 and powered by 4 arc sensors, it provides excellent eye protection by instantly adjusting to light conditions. The solar-powered system offers eco-friendly, low-maintenance operation, minimizing battery replacements and downtime. Additionally, the large 3.93 by 0.66-inch viewing screen gives welders a broader field of vision, enhancing visibility and overall efficiency. 2. Andeli Welding Helmet. The Andeli Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet offers exceptional visibility and protection for professional and hobbyist welders alike. Featuring a panoramic 180-degree large viewing area with true color technology, it provides a clear, distortion-free field of vision, including convenient side views for enhanced awareness and precision. This solar-powered welding mask is equipped with auto-darkening sensors that quickly adjust to varying light intensities, ensuring seamless transitions and optimal eye protection during welding tasks. Its lightweight, ergonomic design ensures comfort during long hours of use, making the Andeli helmet a reliable and advanced choice for safety and performance in demanding welding environments. 1. SAFEUP Welding Helmet. The Welding Mask 111 Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet offers professional-grade protection with a superior optical clarity rating of 1111, ensuring a true color view for enhanced visibility and reduced eye strain. Featuring a large 100 by 97 millimeter viewing area, this helmet provides an expansive field of vision, making it ideal for precision work. Equipped with 4 advanced sensors, it delivers fast and reliable auto-darkening performance, quickly adjusting to changing light conditions during MIG, MAG, and MMA welding. Built for comfort and durability, this helmet is a must-have for both serious hobbyists and professional welders. And there you have it, our top 5 best welding helmets for 2025. Whether you're a professional welder or just getting started, we hope this list helped you find the perfect helmet to keep you safe and comfortable on the job. If you're interested in any of the helmets we mentioned, you'll find links to each one in the description below. so be sure to check those out. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more gear reviews and updates, and drop a comment letting us know which helmet you're planning to pick up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.